In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make products sold out on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are in, look at the left side menu and select Products. This is where Shopify keeps your full catalog, including items with single options and items with multiple variants, like sizes or colors. Next, find the item you want to mark as sold out and click directly on the product name to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct product, since changes here affect what customers see in your online store. Now scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This is the area that controls stock levels and whether Shopify should stop purchases when inventory runs out. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or styles, you will need to update inventory for the specific variant that should be sold out. In that case, click on the variant you want to edit. If your product does not have variants, stay on the main product page and continue in the inventory area. In the inventory section, locate the available quantity. Set that available number to 0. Setting inventory to 0 is what tells Shopify there is no stock left for that product or variant. After that, make sure Track Quantity is checked. This is important because Shopify can only automatically show an item as out of stock if it is tracking the inventory count. If tracking is turned off, the product may still appear available for purchase even when you set the quantity to 0. Next, find the setting labeled Continue Selling when out of stock, and make sure it is unchecked. When this option is unchecked, Shopify will prevent customers from buying the item once the inventory reaches 0, which is what creates the sold-out behavior in your storefront. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. It is a good habit to wait a moment after saving to ensure the update completes, especially if you are editing multiple variants. Once saved, your store should reflect that the product or variant is sold out based on your theme settings. That covers everything you need to know.